Hey, good evening, everybody. Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Pop. We always bring you the good stuff. All right, today what we're doing, we're having smash burgers with tomato, onion, and I'm also making a side order of fries in the Ninja Foodie. But let's get to what I have already done. I have made basically smash burgers. If you don't know what it is, you make a meatball. So all you're doing, make a meatball. Until you take, when you get a nice good crust on the bottom of your meat, you take your burger press and you smash your burgers until they're flat. They'll cook very quick, but it gets a nice, beautiful crust on it. And as you can see, the tomatoes, we're having very nice grilled tomatoes on the Blackstone. And as you can see, the onion is the same way, but I also added olive oil to these here. And I'm gonna let them rest and just sit out for a moment there. All right, so let me get the Blackstone fired up and let's get to cooking. All right, I got the griddle all fired up. This is the Blackstone model. And down at the bottom here, you have 2 air fryers and a warming drawer. Excellent to griddle. Excellent griddle. 36-inch of cooking spaces. You got 2 sides here to put your stuff on. I also invested in the Blackstone thermal. It checks the temperature of the griddle by IR. So right now we're gonna check the middle of the griddle, and we're looking at 485, 88 degrees, 90, 490. All right, and the sides, when you go further to the sides, it gets a little bit cooler, but they're still hot enough. Like, it was at 382. Okay, so she's ready. So what I'm going to do, put a little bit of EEO down. I need a lot of space here because I have to smash these burgers. All right. Very nice, very nice. All right, here we go. First burger. Get that nice, good sizzling. Gotta spread them out. All right. So I'm going to continue to let these sear because you're looking at a nice sear on the bottom. See it? You want a nice good sear on the bottom before you smash them. So let's just continue doing, and I need some more equipment. I'll be right back. All right, let me check the burgers here. See, that's what you're looking for. Beautiful, beautiful color. Beautiful. Now here we go. While they call it a smash burger, here we go. And that's why they call them smash burgers. And they will cook pretty quickly in this fashion. Very nice, very nice. Now what I want to do, hit it with some salt and pepper on this side. Right. Now it's time to flip. Beautiful. Very nicely done. Love the color. Love the smell. Ah, look at that beautiful crust here. Wonderful. A little bit more salt. A little bit more black pepper. Excellent. Now what I'm going to do, these burgers, I'm going to move to the side. I'm going to turn this burner off. I'm going to give a little cleanup here. Now, I'm going to drop my onions. Drop my onions. And also, I'm going to drop my tomatoes. I love a grilled tomato. I love it. All right, so when the onions and tomatoes are done, we're gonna move on to the next step. All right, everybody. Now what you're gonna do now? I'm gonna put my buns down. I'm a little toasted there. I already flipped the onions. Everything is looking fantastic. Let them toast up a little bit, and then we'll start building the burgers. All right, so when I start building, we'll continue to the next step. All right, what we're going to start doing now, we're going to start building our burgers here. And these burgers look fantastic. I mean fantastic. All right. And I made a boo-boo. Don't touch your fingers on the griddle, because it will burn you. Ladies and gentlemen, smash burgers. Back in there. And you have some extra tomatoes and a little piece of, nope, that can go away. All right, so let me get inside and give you a rundown what's going on here. All right, once again, a recap. You have smash burgers. Basically, it's very simple. If you own a griddle, which I advise everybody to get a griddle if you have the space to have one, but they do sell electric griddles for the home. I know Blackstone sells one, and I'm sure other companies do sell one. But all this is basically you're making a meatball, and then you're smashing it with the hamburger presser, and that's all it is. And they cook real fast. All right. Grilled tomatoes, if you never had grilled tomatoes, it brings the sweetness out of the tomatoes, and also with the onions. All right. And basically, I hope you watched the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you subscribe, give me thumbs up and ring that bell for future more videos that you can see. And y'all guys have a wonderful day.